This is the broken spring. We present you a new video. How to replace the rear shock absorbers on the BMW F10. It was necessary to remove the shock absorbers to replace the springs because there was a broken spring on the rear right. Fold the backrest of the rear seats. Remove the corner ornaments of the backrests. To make it easier to mount, remove this white part and fix it on the dismantled part. Remove the inscription airbag. Remove the fixing screw with TX25. Remove the corner trim. Remove the plastic fasteners. Remove the interior trim from the back. It is necessary to remove the cable connections of the rear speakers. These are the fixing screws of the shock absorbers in the upper part. This screw fixes the shock absorber in the lower part. Loosen the fixing screw from the lower part of the shock absorber. Remove the fixing screw. Use a hammer and a lever to release the shock absorber. Be careful, the suspension will rise suddenly. Remove the fixing nuts from the upper part. the shock absorber with your hand when you loosen the last nut, because if it falls, it can break the electrical wires in the area. It is necessary to press down the entire suspension system of the wheel to remove the shock absorber. Fix the shock absorber in the special device to compress the spring. This arrow must be perpendicular to the shock absorber fixing hole. Remove the nut and remove the upper support of the shock absorber. Remove the broken spring. We are using an upper shock mount made by Sachs with part number 800 and 2519. $935-315 is the part number for the rubber damper. The spring used is produced by Suplex and has the part code 06512. Place the cutout of the rubber support next to the arrow on the part. Reassemble everything in the reverse order of disassembly. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be back with more interesting videos soon. Do not miss other videos that may interest you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.